Nike Air Force 1 Low. Easter Egg 2025. This style is appealing because of its delicate hue, which is ideal for Easter. The side panels and toe have a texture reminiscent of oriental weaving, while the upper is based on glossy white leather. It tightens the impression from the side, and the swoosh is a glossy glacier blue. A hint of luxury is also added by the hydrangea that adorns the heel tab, which shines metallically. To highlight the cool, springy vibe, mint foam was used to make the shoelaces and the air riding accent on the midsole. Moreover, the sneaker incorporates Easter's whimsical elements. A cracked Easter egg and the Nike emblem are embroidered on the tongue's rear, creating an Easter-themed pattern. The insole features pictures of grass throughout, with rabbit footprints on one foot and eggs on the other. Some sections are also made of reflective material, which adds a touch of glitz to your evening look.